Conquer Dealers though.
Oh yeah.
I need
They got the food over there.
that junk hard. I like the color on it.
Oh, that one. We at them. Oh yeah, they got ammunition. These like they dealers in here. One the I think the private all the he might be a private seller because private sellers might all be on the outside.
We just have to.
We're asking them to go back through there.
I don't even want
Huh?
I don't want it. See, that's that peanut butter right there, boy. That mug right there, boy. That peanut butter.
That more clear.
Peanut butter Glock 19X.
That's the one.
That junk hard.
610. So that's the one you're looking for.
Yeah, but
So ain't necessarily got to be that one.
16.
Hey. Then my son over here. My son checking out the hardware. Yes, sir. Who that one right there?